Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can get a key fob for your Jeep and see it works. Before we get started with the video, check out my new shirts that I made. Here's one design, there's the other design, and yeah, I made those, so check it out. They're linked down below in the description. I tried to make them affordable, so yeah, thank you for checking them out, and let's get into the video. So in the box you're going to get one remote and then this piece. This is the programmer, and on the back of it is the instructions, which say the key to the on position, not starting the car, but just before, and then you insert the programmer, and then you'll hear a chime. So then after you hear the chime from that, you hit the open and the lock button on your remote for about 3 seconds, and then you press just the unlock button for 2 seconds, and then that key should be programmed afterwards. So what I'm doing is I got one off of Amazon, which was like $13. That way I can sell this kit alone and get my money back for that. So let's go try it out on my Jeep, and hopefully it works. So the first step on the instructions is to put in the key and put it on the on position. Don't turn on the car. There it is. So your lights should be on. And then down here is the plug. If I can get it in. She said. Okay, so there it is. Now we're gonna hold both buttons for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then the unlock button for 2. 1, 2. And that should be programmed. So now you turn off the key, take it out, and then take out the programmer. And now we have to wait 2 minutes and then test it out. Okay, so I have the actual one that came from Dorman. The one from Amazon wasn't working. So I tried the one that came with the programmer, and right when I pressed the unlock button, I plugged this in, and right when I pressed the unlock button, it unlocked the Jeep. I didn't even program it. I don't know what happened. This one works. See, the light's on. This one works. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get the other remote working, and I'll tell you how if I do get it working. So to get the Dorman one to work, I followed the instructions that said on here. But right when I clicked both buttons for the 3 seconds, it just started working. I don't know why, but it worked. So I would recommend this product 100%, the Dorman. I'll have it linked down below in the description if you guys want to buy one. And they're about 60 bucks with taxes and everything. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so for some reason the Amazon controller did not work. I don't know what the deal is. I tried everything and it wouldn't work. But luckily Dorman one works, the one that came with the kit. So I mean, I'm happy. It is $60, but I mean, it's not that bad. You get a working remote. So I opened up both controllers. This is the Dorman one, and this is the one off of Amazon. You can tell the insides are different. That one has like 1 chip. This one has like a lot more things going on in there. Maybe that's for a different year, but it says 2002 on that one. I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what the insides look like, just in case you were curious. So I want to do a test on the Dorman key fob to see how far I can be, and the car's still locked. So let's go walk down the street, and then we'll keep pressing it, see how far it gets. Okay, so here's the distance. I would say this is like maybe 1/3 of a football field, but it still works from here. It's a good distance. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment. If you have any questions about what I did, yeah, just let me know, and I'll try to respond. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.